So, um, let's dive into how XRP's been making waves recently. Its futures volume just jumped by 200%, and it's really, really stirring up the market.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like traders are suddenly super excited, right? I mean, $12.4 billion in futures volume, surpassing Solana's numbers. Now that's wild.
Right. Exactly. And it seems that this surge came right on the heels of that big resolution between Ripple and the SEC. Those legal battles were really weighing on the price. And now that pressure's just like off.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that must have given traders a major boost. So we're seeing XRP price take off, and it's breaking out of a bullish flag pattern with a target around $4.50. Is that correct?
Right. Exactly. It's a classic bullish continuation pattern. Essentially, the idea is adding the height of the previous uptrend to the breakout point, which gives a target roughly 35% higher than current
Yeah,
levels.
that's the math. And it's interesting. While this looks super promising, the futures market also shows some warning signs. For instance, the positive daily funding rate is just at 0.01%, which indicates most traders are long, but that can mean over leveraged positions if
Mm-hmm.
things, you know, swing the other way.
True. And Glassnode even warned that heavy long over leveraged positions could accelerate a correction if the price drops. It's like um, walking a tightrope, exciting yet dangerous.
Right. Also, I was thinking, won't that potential risk of liquidations add extra volatility? I mean, what if a sudden downturn forces a cascade of liquidations?
You're spot on with that. It's like one moment the market is soaring as traders rejoice over the um, legal ease, and then those positions could flip the script if a correction comes.
Exactly. And there's also some cool technical background here. The cost basis distribution shows a heavy cluster of XRP holders in the $2.80 to $2.82 range. That could act as a sort of support level if the price pulls back and these traders decide to defend their positions.
Yes, that cluster is interesting. It's like a safety net for the token. When you have over 1.70 billion tokens acquired there, those traders might step in to protect their gains, which can stabilize the price.
Makes sense. And with futures trading volumes over sky high, it also illustrates the speculative nature of the space. Traders are willing to take big risks on XRP now that the SEC drama is behind us.
Absolutely, it's a real playground for speculators. But hey, with risk comes reward, right? And with a potential Fed rate cut on the horizon in September, market sentiment might lean even more towards riskier assets like XRP.
Yeah, that could definitely fuel the climb. Now, I wonder though, are we perhaps overestimating this bullish momentum? I mean, you mentioned the risk of correction earlier, and I just want to be sure we're not overlooking the downside.
That's a valid point. While the breakout and target at $4.50 seem robust technical signals, the market's got its fair share of unknowns, especially when heavy leverage is involved. It's like riding a roller coaster with a really long line at the bottom.
Yeah, no doubt it's a balancing act. So, in summary, XRP is currently on a high note with its futures volume surge, a convincing bull flag pattern pointing to $4.50, and strong support levels from its cost basis, yet there's this underlying volatility risk if the market mood shifts.
Exactly. It's thrilling to watch, but definitely a cautionary tale too. Trading XRP right now is an exhilarating mix of potential highs and sudden pitfalls.
Totally agree. Well, this has been such a dynamic discussion. Thanks for breaking it down. It definitely gives us a lot to think about in the crypto space.